Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. So, today's topic is ozone depletion, causes and impacts. The topic is discuss the causes and impacts of ozone depletion. First of all, we will discuss about the ozone. What is a ozone layer? As you know that this ozone layer, it is a natural layer of the gas, and it is present in the atmosphere, and it is present in the upper atmosphere that protects humans and other living things from harmful UV radiations, ultraviolet radiations from the sun. Ozone layer, it is a natural layer of the gas in the upper atmosphere that protects humans and other living things from harmful ultraviolet radiations from the sun. Okay. Ozone, although this ozone is present in small concentration throughout the atmosphere, most near about 90% exists this ozone in the stratosphere. Okay, and it is a layer of 10 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The ozone layer. It also filters out most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiations and is therefore crucial to life on the Earth. I will repeat again. The ozone layer, it is a natural layer of the gas that is present in the upper atmosphere and that protects us and other animals from the harmful ultraviolet radiations which is coming from the sun. And this ozone is present in small concentration throughout, and this this ozone is present in small concentration throughout the atmosphere, and most around 90% exists this ozone in the stratosphere, which is a layer of 10 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The ozone layer filters out most of the sun's harmful UV radiations, and this layer is very crucial for life on the Earth. Okay. उसके बाद what is ozone depletion? It refers ozone depletion. It refers to a lowered concentration of the ozone in the atmosphere. यानी ओजोन डिप्लेशन जो है, लोअर कंसंट्रेशन जो है ओजोन की, वो किस में पाई जाती है? एटमॉस्फेयर में पाई जाती है. एंड एविडेंस हैज बीन फाउंड दैट द ओजोन लेयर कैन बी डैमेज्ड बाय air pollutants. This ozone layer, it can be damaged by air pollutants and by volcanic eruptions, and this leading to the formation of holes. And the scientists have discovered holes in the ozone layer over the Arctic and Antarctic regions. In other words, there is an increase in ultraviolet radiations reaching the Earth's surface, and this can bring undesirable effects of an organisms. This is ozone depletion. And what if the what and next topic is next इसका जो है हमारा causes क्या है, यानी ओजोन डिप्लीशन हुआ है, अब इसके causes क्या होंगे? As you know that first of all we will write here causes of ozone depletion. Causes of ozone depletion. And you know that the number of pollutants, they can affect the ozone layer? CFCs and nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide, they are nitrous oxide, they are also responsible for depleting of the ozone. And the CFCs जो है, CFCs, they are used in refrigerators as propellant in aerosol sprays. Yani, what is the cause of ozone depletion? Number of pollutants, they can affect the ozone layer. CFCs and nitrous oxide. CFCs, they are used in refrigerators as a propellant and in propellant in aerosol sprays and make up the bubbles in many plastic and make up the bubbles in many plastic foams. For example, expanded polystyrene. They are remarkably inert and therefore reach the upper stratosphere unchanged. CFCs and nitrous oxide. CFCs are used in refrigerators and as a propellant in aerosols sprays and make up the bubbles in many plastic foams. For example, मैंने example दिया यहाँ, expanded polystyrene, they are remarkable inert and therefore they reach the upper stratosphere which are unchanged. And what are the effects of ozone depletion? The destruction of the ozone layer results in a significant increase in the UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface. It may include various adverse effects on humans. UV radiation has direct effect on DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It can modify the genetic information in body cells. This is the one effect. I will repeat again. It may induce various adverse effects on humans. For example, first effect is UV radiation that has a direct effect on DNA and it also modify the genetic information in body cells. An increase in the incidence of skin cancer, cataract, in the function of the immune system is probably due to the increasing in the UV radiations which is reaching to the earth. यानी दूसरा जो है इसका जो एडवर्स इफेक्ट है दैट इज लंग डिजीजेस और यू कैन से द स्किन कैंसर एंड जब इम्यून सिस्टम होगा वो पूरी तरह से डैमेज होगा और यूवी बिकॉज ऑफ रीचिंग द यूवी रेडिएशंस इनटू द अर्थ सरफेस. तीसरा जो है इसका इंक्रीज इन एक्सपोजर टू यूवी रेडिएशंस इट कैन ग्रेटली रिड्यूस द यील्ड्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स, क्रॉपों पर भी बुरा असर इसका पड़ेगा। एक्वेटिक लाइफ जो है स्पेशली फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स दे आर वेरी सेंसिटिव टू अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज एंड दे आल्सो affects a reduction of its productivity in the ocean that could disrupt the ecological balance of the food web. It is also the one of the effect of the ozone depletion. It is because that the phytoplankton जो होते हैं that produce the aquatic habitat uh, and increase in the UV radiations, they led to the increase in the incidence of the photochemical smoke. What is the role of individuals in overcoming the problem? Less use of CFCs compounds, they can reduce the effect of the ozone depletion. Many aerosol sprays such as hair mosses and household cleaning products, they contain CFC compounds. So we need to use the other that are now free of CFCs compounds and avoid living foam plastic and plastic compounds. So that was all about the ozone depletion and its causes. Thanks, dear students.